The basics of economics. What is an economy? To understand what an economy is, it's important to know that there are two aspects to economics. The first aspect, the study of production, distribution and consumption of goods and services, can be thought of as the what of economics. The second aspect, the study of how an economy functions at all levels, from individual households to world trade, can be thought of as the why of economics. An economy defined. An economy can be defined as a system in which individuals, businesses and governments choose how to allocate scarce resources with alternative uses. These resources are things like land, labor and capital. Scarcity refers to conditions in which people have more wants than they do unlimited ability to fulfill them. Consider all of these elements together, it's easy to see why allocating resources within an economy is so important. The way individuals, businesses and governments all make decisions about where scarce resources should go plays a major role in determining how well or poorly any given country will do economically. Economics defined. The field of economics studies how individuals, businesses, governments and society make choices about allocating limited resources for unlimited wants. Each decision has consequences for two groups, those who get what they want and those who give up something in order to benefit someone else. Economists talk about exchanges between buyers and sellers on markets, like a restaurant. In theory, everything produced by one person or business can be exchanged for everything produced by another. So, at any given time in a market economy there are literally millions of exchanges being made simultaneously. That's what makes it so complicated. Sometimes economic decisions may involve no money at all. People might agree to help others because they find fulfillment in doing so. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe to Investor Web for more.